Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make ranch sauce for pizza. First, let's gather our ingredients. For the freshest taste, you'll want fresh herbs such as parsley, chives, and dill. Our creamy base will consist of mayonnaise, sour cream, and buttermilk. Don't forget the key spices: garlic powder, onion powder, and a touch of black pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that wonderfully creamy base. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise with half a cup of sour cream. Give that a good whisk until it's well combined. Next, gradually whisk in 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Keep mixing until the sauce is perfectly smooth and has a consistent, creamy texture. Room temperature ingredients blend much more easily, so keep that in mind. This is where the magic happens, adding all those delicious flavors. Finely chop 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of fresh chives, and 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. Stir these vibrant herbs into your creamy base. Then, add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Finish with half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a small pinch of salt to taste. Mix thoroughly to distribute the flavors evenly. Almost ready to enjoy? For the best flavor, cover your ranch sauce and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows all those wonderful herbs and spices to truly meld together. You can store any leftover sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Finally, drizzle this homemade ranch generously over your favorite pizza for an absolutely incredible, tangy, and fresh addition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.